Welcome back to Last Quest Barbecue Meals to Die For. So today we're making, in one way, a very simple meal. It is a mascarpone leek pasta. We've got delicious mascarpone, which I don't enjoy in desserts, but I actually like in my pasta because it melts in and creates and makes a very nice symphony of flavors. We've got our leeks, we've got some delicious pappardelle organic pasta. We're gonna put some bacon in it. The secret to this, not a lot of ingredients actually, but the secret is the process in this one. It takes a little bit of time to melt those leeks down. We're not frying them, they're gonna melt and just interact with the pasta, a little bit of the mascarpone in it, and then some of the bacon. So without further ado, let's get started. First step first, some bacon. So we'll get the bacon going and crisping up from the bacon. We'll start there and then we'll cut the leeks, wash them while the bacon is going. So let's get our pan, and I'm using our wonderful ensemble pan today. I've got it already up and twisting around with the interchangeable handle, which I'm going to put to full use today, I suspect. There we go. Love that. Start getting our pan warmed up. And I'm going to add some bacon to this. I'm going to do about 3/4, just over half, maybe 60% of a package. It's a lot of noodles. The bacon will kind of add some real density of flavor to it. So don't be alarmed at how much bacon there is. This is one of those flavors that's going to need a fair bit of bacon just to make some impact. So let's cut this up into lardons, into pieces. We'll get that going into our pan, which is looking pretty good right now. I'm going to put a little bit of oil in there just to get it started, and then we'll get our bacon in. All right, so obviously a big part of the leek and mascarpone pasta is our leeks. So we're going to focus mostly on the white parts rather than the green parts. That'll make a nice light pasta. So let's just cut these. Let's do this one at a time. They're big ones. Here we go. Cut these off. There we go. It's time to get my knife sharpened, but these are a little hard to cut through actually. They're pretty meaty. We're going to put 3 of these stalks in. It's a lot of leeks, but that's okay. We got a lot of pasta on the go. So that's not a problem. And then what we're going to do is cut these down the center. There we go. Then we're going to go wash them. The one thing about leeks is they tend to be very difficult to get clean, so they need a good rinse. Let's just cut the ends off here. Now we are good to go. We've got our leeks, and let's go inside and give them a good wash. All right, so one of the secrets to this dish is to cut them up in very small, as small as you can get, pieces, because you really want this to be nice and fine as you can. Use that knuckle, this end of the blade, come down and cut them up into fine pieces versus large chunks. And what we're going for here at the end of this recipe, basically we're going to sweat these down. We're not going to fry them. They're going to just melt, and then they're going to surround the pasta. Now, as I said, balancing your time when you're doing these cooks is one of the most important things, so that's why we've got the bacon going. And by the time the bacon is ready, I'll take the bacon out. We'll leave the bacon grease in. We're going to add some butter, and then we're going to put these in. So if all goes well, that sequence will be timed right. The leeks sit in the pan for about 40 minutes, so that adds some time. Of course, this time you can be doing other things. This is probably going to take all in about an hour, so it's not a short cook. Well, we got a mess of leeks here cut up. This is about 2 of those 3 stalks, cut off the heads, just the white parts. This is probably, I left a little, I'm just kind of judging it. It's probably about a good 2.5. By the way, tonight I'm enjoying some delicious Australian wine, which I think will go the Shiraz Barbera from Adelaide Hills, Longview. My reco for this meal. It's a delicious Shiraz that I think will go very nicely with this meal. So enjoying a bit of that tonight. Cheers in my stemless glass. Cheers. And the bacon is done. So let's get the bacon out and put this aside, because in will go our leeks. And for 40 minutes, I don't want the bacon in there for 40 minutes. I'm going to add it back in afterwards. Everybody out of the pool. You know what I love about these pans? I'm just realizing there's no bolts on the inside, which means it's so easy to scoop stuff out. I love it. Like I said, sometimes the little things, There we go. So I can scoop that out. Look at that, nice and smooth. Love that. Let's just do a QC on the bacon. Very nice. So we now add a bit of butter and then our leeks. Put in a good tab of butter here. Gently, don't want to mess up. All right, and then let's get our leeks in. It's a mess of leeks, but don't worry. Now you want to be doing this gently. You do not want to be grilling them. Oh, you can already smell it. Delicious smell. And what this will do is sweeten, the licorice flavor of the leeks. This will sweeten them. So it's really a sweet flavor. They'll sweeten up. And then at the same time, they will also kind of all practically dissolve. Anyway, you'll see if all goes well. Let's put a bit of salt on. And then we're going to put some water in there. Unsalted water from the pasta. Just to be efficient. What's that? Three cups. I'm going to put 4 cups in. Let's see how that does. Yeah, 4 cups. That's about right. Mix it up again. And we're going to simmer those. Importantly, we're going to cover. And here's where we get a chance to use our fun new lids, which I'm loving. Oh, wrong lid. Here's the lid. It's got this. Look at these handles, eh? Pretty cool. So it stores flat and actually stays a bit cooler. I can grab this lid. So let's seal up now our pasta. There we go. And we're going to push that back and we're going to let that cook for about 40 minutes. And then we're going to take this part of this pot set and we're actually going to put it into our large pot because this is where we're going to boil our pasta. So let's set our clock now for 40 minutes. I'll start the pasta. How long does the pasta take? Pasta takes about 10 minutes, so a half hour I'll start cooking the pasta and then it will all come together. So I was just having a quick read of the recipe to see what's next, and I realized I forgot to put the garlic in. So what this recipe should have is the leeks go in with the garlic. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to put raw garlic in right now, but I'm going to grill it up a little bit to kind of accelerate the process and then put it in. So that's a bit of a catch-up, a bit of makeup for a bit of a mistake. But hey, we're barbecuers here. We can account for any of these mistakes. So let's get 4 buds of garlic going. We'll chop them up, we'll put them in, and we'll catch up. So, no worries. So we've hit about the 15-minute mark. Things are coming along well. I can see through the glass lid of my ensemble and the glass lid over here. The pasta water is ready. I put a bit of salt in it, a bit of kosher salt. And now in goes the organic artesian pappardelle, great brand from Longo's. I don't think I've had the organic version, so I'm looking forward to that. That's 13 to 14 minutes. So when that's done, we'll be done. So let's get that going. I can hear that water flowing over, so let's get that into the pot. I'm going to put the lid back on just because it's so cold out. Again, I can touch this lid, and it's not, ordinarily I'd have to get my cloth out to bring up the lid, but I can touch this, very smooth to touch. So interesting about this cookware, when I first did the unboxing, I went back to Kate and I said, hey, I think I got a defective piece, because as you can see, the piece isn't popped out of here. I can't put the handle in. She goes, no, actually, you're not allowed, for practical reasons, to put a handle on a pot this big, but we included it so you could grab it. But what I'm loving, I can easily put this handle in. Look at that. When it's time to lift it up, because before I would kind of lift it up on an angle this way, and that's just the pasta, not the whole pot. You just, put your handle in and lift it right up. All right, so when this timer goes off, the pasta should be ready as well. All right, our pasta is almost done. Let's see what we've got here. Wow, check that out. Those leeks have just melted all down. All right, so what's next? Well, first of all, I'm going to put a little Cholula sauce in, heat it up a bit, spark up, put a little heat into it. Love the Cholula sauce. That's probably maybe a lot of heat. That's okay, we like a lot of heat. And there's a lot of pasta going in here, a little salt and pepper. And you can grind in some fresh pepper, but I happen to have salt and pepper ready, a little bit of a thing. And then let's put in our bacon. So let's mix all that in. Very nice. The Cholula's is bouncing off there. And then, delicious mascarpone. This is 500 grams, we're adding about half of this, about 250 grams. And then that should just melt right in. So let's add that in. And that's about half. All right, that's good. Look at how that's melting right into our leeks. Let's let that melt a little bit. And then let's get our pasta ready. All right, our pasta's ready. Miraculously, this isn't hot. I'm really impressed with the fact I can touch that lid. Just it also has the lay flatness of it all. And what we can do here is we can bring in our handle, snap it in, and look at that. Love that. Actually, I really like that. We're going to reserve some of that pasta water, and let's add in our noodles, and let's toss this up. That's pretty thick right now, so what we're going to do is add in, as we had planned, some of our water. Just be careful, because you can't take it out. I'm going to add in half a cup at a time. You add in too much, and Sam the cooking guy says, you could be in trouble because you can't get that water. You can't get that water out. But really, whoa, delicious. Look at that. My goodness, this looks good. So I'm going to put another cup and a half. There's a lot of pasta in here. And then let's portion some of it out. Make sure we get lots of the leek on it. And our bacon. Now to this, we're going to add just a touch of Parmesan, and then just a splash of olive oil. There we go. And we are done. And there we have it. Mascarpone, pappardelle, a little bit of bacon, some hot sauce, a bit of olive oil. Delicious. Bon appetit.